Kyrtong MP ke NPP Dr. DR Nonglaj ulaong ba Kyndit haduk kata-kata banyoi balapun hi da Menteri Rangba Khubor Conrad ke Sangma ban aik sai nagabenta ke election MP Shiteng Samoy. Habakran berkila pathai Khubor u Dr. DR Nonglaj ulaya thu ba de hakalai phau tarek uyayong baka jinga kran nagabenta ke election kasdang lengba kapun na u Conrad berkelapoi haduk kasngi ba un shim ya karai ban pediang ban long Kyrtong ke parti.
Accident, I fell on the staircase in my own compound, and then I had to uh, get myself admitted in the hospital. And on 30th afternoon, I got a call from an unknown number saying that this is Conrad Sangma. It was a surprise to me. I just said, "Good afternoon, sir," and immediately he uh, informed me that he wanted to meet me. But I said, I'm in hospital now, so I cannot meet him. And then I just told him to give a hint for the purpose of the meeting. And he said, we actually wanted you to be a candidate from the NPP ticket. So he handed over the phone to Pak Preston, Deputy Chief Minister, and we had a bit longer conversation with him. I accepted the invitation and I told them to come to my house for a detailed discussion. And on the 1st of this month at 7 or 8 p.m., a team, very strong and well organized team, came to my house, and I told them that immediately I will not be able to take my decision. It will take me at least a few days to analyze and to evaluate, to assess the political situation in the state, and also my connection with the people, since I have not had in my mind that I will contest this forthcoming MP election. So in 4 or 5 meet my relatives, consult my friends, seek their advice, their opinion, and after careful consideration, I decided to accept the request. So it was last night only that I accepted the request, and I'm happy that today I've been uh, inducted into the party, and uh, that the party has declared my name as the official candidate of party for this forthcoming MP by-election.
But there are already talks that this was premeditated. That you'll be
14 years. And I've been fighting for constitutional recognition of Khasi language in the state as well as in the center. So this is not uh, true that I've been organizing campaigns for making Khasi an official language of the state. That has been the aspiration of the people long time back. For many decades, we have been fighting for making Khasi not just as an associate official language, but a full-fledged official language of the state. And this is not an endpoint. You see, we have to take this issue to the center and to make Khasi find a place in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution in near future.
They gave you the tickets it's because of Khasi language recognition. You were there.
Maybe that is only one factor. But my career as a teacher, a literary activist, and also a social worker, maybe they consider all those factors and then they come to a conclusion that maybe I will be the fit. I'll be one who is fit uh, for this assignment, for this job.
Khasi other society members say they have not been consulted.
the last.
This is my personal decision. See, Khasi Author Society is a society which is inclusive. Our members include those across party lines. So Khasi Author Society is a society which works for the growth and development of Khasi language and literature. But this is my personal decision.
Do you remain as the president of Khasi Author Society, or you have come out of that?
I have not considered because I'll have to abide according to the constitution of the society.
You can
Okay, we are
continue.
done. Thank you so much. We have to.
Yes.